I look like I'm not looking into the camera, but I am. I'm literally looking at it. So, hello everyone. I'm just here to say thank you so much for the 50 likes on my Husker and Angel Dust TikTok that me and my dad did. So, thank you so much. Usually when I post something on YouTube, it's never well received like that. Even if it's just 50 likes, that really makes me happy. So for those of you who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Kelly. I go by Auress Cosplay. Online, you probably know about me already, but you can call me Auress, you can mispronounce my name. I'm gonna be fine with that. So I decided I'm gonna make content on YouTube again. I was dead on YouTube for a while. I was dead on here for a while because my passion went into TikTok and that was easier content to make for me. So today I'm just gonna introduce myself, which is out of the way, and I decided for this video I'm gonna pull a Jessica Negri on YouTube and just explain what cosplay I'm doing right now and how I'm making it, except for these. So right now I'm really into Hell of a Boss. I'm a Has-Been Hotel and Hell of a Boss and Danganronpa cosplayer. Those are my three main categories on TikTok because they're the most popular. But let's not get into that. So I have these horns I made to cosplay Verosika Mayday from Hell of a Boss episode 3. I'm not going to get into how I made these horns because obviously they're made already. I'll just do a quick little summary of how I made them. So if you look through here, you can tell easier what the material is. It's craft foam. And I hot glued it together and painted it. I painted the pink with face paint so it matches my body paint when I cosplay her. And the rest is acrylic, hot glue. You can see, and I have the outfit I'm gonna work on soon. But I thought I would focus more on how to make the tail. Verosika, just like Mayberry in Hell of a Boss episode 1 is a demon. She has a tail like Mayberry. So let me this is the tail I made. This is a EVA foam stick and I hot glued it. I'll put links in my description So I'll put links in the description for how I made these horns. I used a tutorial when I first started making horns. It was for a Mayberry cosplay in her demon form from Hell of a Boss. But today I'm just gonna focus on the tail. I'm not gonna show footage of how I glued this spade and the EVA foam stick together because that's really easy. I just took a sheet of EVA foam, I cut it into an ace or a spade, I hot glued it. You can even see some hot glue strings coming off of here. And this is an EVA foam stick that you can buy at Joann's fabric stores. This is what am I saying? The package that came with it, it wasn't a package, but it was in a plastic bag. When I went to Joann's to buy EVA foam sticks, there were only 3 of them you could buy together. And I made 2 for my Mayberry tail. I'll show pictures after I edit this. And this is the last one. So I've spent 4 minutes talking, and the things you're gonna need to make this tail is what I prefer to use based on another tutorial on how to make tails. I'll link in the description. You're gonna need a hook. It could even be a safety pin. The hook is to put I'm gonna can explain it in the video, but I want to explain it here. You're going to need a hook to sew with fishing line to the top of this EVA foam stick. And I'm using my last amount of money until I get paid again. Don't judge me. And I'm gonna cover this with tights. Like, I'm gonna buy pink tights. I'm gonna use half of them for my thighs, my top legs, so I don't paint them pink, so I don't have to. And I'm gonna use the rest of the tights to sew this over this EVA foam so it looks more professional. Okay, so I have to apologize because I got so excited about my tights coming in that I forgot that I had a tutorial to make, and I don't have any footage of me sewing this together and putting it onto the tail of EVA foam. So I'm gonna just explain it. So notice this right here. I sewed this together. So basically what I did is that I pinched this. I used this matching thread and obviously this needle, and I just stitched it closed. Like you can probably see where I stitched it. And for the spade, that was pretty hard to figure out. Like, I'll show you the back. I have it sewed, pinched together, so you can see the shape of the spade or the ace. And this is like 2 sockets. I don't know if that's what they're called, but they're 2 socks. They're not socks. They're 2 tights that I cut up, that I sewed together, and you can see it in the middle here. I used a hook that my parents had, used some fishing line. It's gonna be kind of hard. Oh, never mind. And the tail's like, there's nothing to hide it, but as I'm recording this, I don't have that figured out yet. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna back up, and the tail looks like it's moving, but it's not. I just have this fishing line. You can see it more now. It's right here, and I sewed it into this and made it into the form of like a bracelet, so I could put it on my wrist. And when I cosplay Verosika, I made the dress obviously, by the way. So I could put it on my wrist, and it looks like the tail is moving. Again, links in the description. I am so sorry I forgot about this video. I also forgot to make an ending when I was dolled up in makeup. So the video is going to end like really bad with me laying in bed, about to go to sleep. It's almost 10 o'clock as I'm recording. But if you're watching this, I'm not going to say give it a like or anything, because that never happens to me. But I am going to say I hope you found this video helpful, even though I didn't really do anything.